Good evening, Jai Krishna. You're from which place? Am I audible to you? जय कृष्णा, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको? Yes, Umesh. I think we don't have a proper network. Yes, Jai Krishna. Umesh, any queries, any questions, any doubts you have?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, so
I think network nahi hai. Okay, Kabiraj. So you can ask your doubts so that we'll start once. Yes, Kabiraj Bhattacharya. Do you have any query, any question, any doubts?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good. Tell me, sir.
I have just joined, sir. Now.
No issues. So, do you have any questions regarding Vedic mathematics? क्या करते हैं आप? What do you do?
Teaching, sir. Yeah.
Teaching which place?
Bagalung district, sir.
Okay, Bagnor in Nepal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you teaching mathematics?
English subject.
Okay.
Mathematics also. Primary level.
So बच्चों को डर क्यों लगता है मैथ से?
I don't know, sir. It is difficult to complicated subject also. I'm thinking.
Is it difficult or we are not able to understand what is the big reason behind it? I don't think it is difficult because it is just a pattern.
If we have not ideas, then it will be difficult.
So you mean it is difficult. So what about in the beginning classes, in the primary classes, third, fourth, fifth? At that time, we don't have much of the syllabus. So why do they start having a fear at that time also? Okay, agreed with your point at the level of 10th class. So many things together, cube roots, square roots, algebra, arithmetics, this. But what about at the third, fourth level when they have only subtraction, addition, or tables? What is the doubt at that time? Yes, Krishna. Good evening. Yeah, tell me. Okay, you are a maths teacher. Should I ask you a maths question? Yes. Can I ask you a math question then? So we have two Krishnas today, Jai Krishna Sharma and Krishna. Yes, Krishna, please, do you have any question or any query?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, Jai.
I am new. Just
Yes.
first joined it.
See, everybody is new to this. This is just a question hour. So nothing for everybody is new. Everybody is fresh. So what made you come join this? What was the question in your mind? What was the doubts in your mind? What was the query in your mind? You can simply ask those things. Whatever came in your mind when you were joining, you can ask those things. Yes.
Know the basic concept regarding your basic Vedic mathematics.
Okay. So do you know?
Then
What do
how
you
can
do?
I raise the question to you?
Okay, I'll give you the details. First, tell me, what do you do?
So I am teacher, sir, mathematics teachers.
Mathematics teacher at which place? Which school?
Parvat, Nepal.
Nepal.
Parvat
Okay.
district. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Krishna, what about you? Krishna, am I audible to you now? Okay. So, Kabiraj and Jaya Krishna, both of you are math teachers. Should I ask you some mathematics question?
Why not?
Okay. How much time you need to write a table of 89?
Table of
89. 89. 89.
So I confused, sir, regarding your question.
Regarding that,
Confused.
why you are
How much
confused?
times?
Sir, why you are confused? That is the thing. Now, why do students have a fear of mathematics? Because the starting in class, the day they start, they go for addition and then they go for subtraction. The subtraction, they get confused how we are subtracting. Let's take an example, 100 minus 33. So student is unable to understand how 0 becomes 9 and the other 0 becomes 10. So the first confusion comes in borrowing. The second major confusion, or what you can call it as a burden, which remains forever, that is tables. Now, particularly if I talk about your Nepal, I have given seminars in so many schools, institutions, even university, Tribhuvan University, last time I visited on 6th September. Now, what is the difference? What is the problem? That they all have fear of tables. They all have that burden of tables. And believe me, 89 table will take only 10 seconds. Or any table, if you talk about in any table right now, if I ask you 87, 85, or 36, 34, 35, 37, any table, that just takes some seconds. And the biggest problem is when we talk about this topic with the students, they get confused. They start shivering, they start having a fear. No, sir, we'll do it on the calculators. Because they have this burden, they have this fear. So they are not going for tables. The maximum they can write up till table of 12. Yes or no? Yes, Kabiraj, is it correct?
Yes, sir, sure.
So why does it happen? See, one of the major reason is we are not able to,
Ideas.
yes, we don't have that ability to think. Now, what is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics, it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. That's the first thing. The first and the major and the foremost thing is it is a journey of transformation from fear to confidence. Just think, if a student has a confidence, will they ever suffer in life? I'm not talking about particularly mathematics right now. Anything, if you have confidence in your life, if you have that feeling, yes, I can. So what is the second thing? This subject gives you the thing, yes, I can. Because if you all are teachers and you are saying, sir, it's not possible to write the 89 table, and if you are able to do it, or if a student of yours is able to do in 10 seconds, how excitement will be there? How much excitement would be there? Or how much happiness would be there? The joyous feeling would be there. So what is Vedic maths? It is transformation from fear to confidence. It gives you the feeling, yes, I can. Or you can say that it gives you the ability to think in a different manner. Correct? Now, mathematically, if I talk about how does it help you out? So it is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras. Now, in Vedic maths, we call these formulas as sutras. So it is a mere collection of these formulas or sutras, which makes our mathematical calculations easy, faster, and simpler. Second question, if I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? Can you think? Can you answer, Jai Krishna or Kabiraj? What
Yes,
is
sir.
what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That means 12,345 into 11. And the answer is in seconds. 1,35795. 1,35,795. See, this is the concepts. This is how fast you can calculate. You talk about scales, you talk about cubes, you talk about anything you know. Algebra, single line, you can do it. Because the focus is on mental calculations. The basic principle behind Vedic mathematics is to do the calculations mentally. That means that improves your left brain activity as well as right brain activity. And when both the brains become active, your speed increases. Right. Now tell me, if you have any question, we'll solve it, not an issue. If you have any particular question coming in your mind, we'll just solve it out. Yes, Krishna?
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yes, please.
I have joined just 2 days this webinar. Umesh sir sent me a link. This link. I am especially English teacher, sir. In primary level, sometime mathematics will. I will teach mathematics subject also.
Okay.
I'm interested to join this webinar. What is the main aim to start this webinar? How can we join per month here?
See, the webinar or the workshop, I call it as a workshop, not webinar. Why? Because webinar means I'll speak, you will just listen and go.
Yes, sir.
Workshop is not that. Workshop means we'll discuss everything. We'll be solving 200 questions a day. Now, what you'll be learning in that workshop? Very first thing, I just asked you a question. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? And you are not able to answer. But after this workshop, you will be able to answer this in seconds. Yes, 1,35795 or anything. 999 into 999, 998, 001. So That would be your speed in the case of multiplication. So first is you'll be learning multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Now, if I ask you what is 141 okay, into 22. So what is that? 3102 or 576 into 121. Now 576 into 121 is a big question, but it is 69696. All such questions you'll be solving in that. This is the first topic you'll be learning. Second, what I told you, what is the biggest burden in any student's life? Today, you talk to any student, any child who is in class 3rd or above. If you ask them what is the biggest burden in school, so they'll say mathematics. Now, what in mathematics? If you talk about particularly what in mathematics, so they'll say tables. So tables are the biggest fear factor or the biggest burden in any child's life. And we need to remove that. I asked you 2 questions. You both agreed, yes, we are mathematics teacher. But think, you don't have that confidence. Yes, I can do within seconds. So to generate that confidence, we have to remove that burden of tables. So after this session, after the class, you'll be able to learn those tables. Every table you can write, any table, anytime, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, any digit table you can write within no time. And that will give you the confidence. See, very important thing in life is confidence. If you have confidence, everything can be done. And if you don't have that confidence, nothing can be achieved. Third thing you'll be learning is finding squares of bigger numbers. Now, if I ask you just now, what is the square of 45? Can you answer? It is 2025. What is square of 95? 9025. What is square of 105? That is 11025. So such speed would be there. So second day would be having squares. 3 methods we'll be discussing so that every bigger numbers can be solved. Then we'll go for a topic called cubes. Same. If I ask you right now, what is the cube of 12? Now you have only one way to do it. 12 multiplied by 12, that gives you 144. And then you'll again go for 12. So what you will get? Yes, 144 into 12 is 1728. Now this can be done in a very simple manner. Just like a game. Write down 1 of 12, then 2, then 4, then 8, and double it. 1728. So such is the simplicity in subject, which we call it as Vedic mathematics. Right. And moreover, this workshop is not learning of Vedic mathematics. It is how to start your own classes. You are from which place, Kabir? Kabir? Kabiraj.
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes,
place?
sir.
Which place in Nepal?
Baglung district.
Bagnur is in which side, sir?
Baglung district, sir.
Umesh, किस side है Bagnur?
Near to Kathmandu, sir. वो east side.
Okay, Kathmandu. So many students have already completed our course. Rabi is doing. Suraj Chaudhary का आपने देखा होगा. He is taking now workshops and classes. So he was in the first batch. See, what I always say, there are 3 stages to learn anything. First stage is clear your doubts, clear your questions, clear your queries. So today is the first step. Clear whatever is coming in your mind, whatever doubts you have, whatever questions are arising in your mind, just clear them. The second would be a workshop where you'll get some idea, some insights of Vedic mathematics, some concepts, and you can start your own classes. classes not for seniors? Yes, of course, because you'll be learning few topics. So you can start with the junior classes. Junior means third, fourth. You can take their classes for at least 15 days. And if you're going on an alternative day basis, that means at least 1 month. Once you have done this, once you are confident, yes, I can teach, I can do this, then go for a complete teacher training program. We are offering that teacher training program that is around 70 hours program. That is a third stage. So many teachers from Nepal have already done it. Somesh sir is one of them. Ravi is another. Suraj is another. Asha. So many students have. We already have 3 franchises also in 4 franchises in Nepal. 2 in Kathmandu, 1 in Viratnagar, 1 in Hatoda, 1 in Dhangadi. 5 franchises. So they all have completed this program. And why it is required? Because your mathematics, the mathematics in your country is very weak, very weak. If you ask any student, they all have fear factor for mathematics. They are not confident of tables above 12. Everybody has that, no, maximum 12 they can go. So just if you see our YouTube channel also, see the difference, see the students, see the reviews. Within 1 hour of sessions. Now, recently I gave a session in Sainik School, Chitwan, Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu, and number of schools. All those are available on our YouTube as well as on Facebook. So you can share your WhatsApp number with Umesh sir. He'll be guiding you more. Right? If I am not you are not able to reach me, you can anytime contact Umesh sir. So you can share your number in the chat and they will connect to you. Right. So this would be the 2 days. Now, the last point we'll be discussing on that day would be how to launch your classes. Now, when I talk about launching your classes, that means only online mode. Because definitely online is the mode which is mostly used, widely accepted nowadays. Correct. So a bright future in this field because we don't have trainers. Last week we had a meeting with the teachers of the Tribhuvan University also. They are looking for trainers, but still we are lacking in them. So more and more trainers are required because to remove that fear factor of mathematics in your students. Yes, Mahindra Bhattarai. You just joined. Mahindra Bhattarai, you are from which place?
I am from Nepal.
Nepal, which place?
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Which place in Nepal?
I am from Butol, Lumbini Province.
Yeah, I know Butwal. Okay, what do you do?
I am a master level student. I am doing job at bank.
Doing job in?
Banking sector.
फिर तो रोज पैसे गिनते होंगे, नोट गिनते रहते होंगे. मैथ्स का तो काम है ही है.
Yeah.
कैलकुलेशन तो आना चाहिए फिर तो.
I am joining first time. I am joining just 1 minute ago.
I know. I just saw it.
Yeah.
See.
I feel good energy with you on your talking. Thank you so much.
Okay. See why I'm saying is masters किसमें किया था?
कॉमर्स में मास्टर कॉमर्स में.
कॉमर्स में क्या है? M.Com. From which university?
Tribhuvan University.
Okay, that's what I was sharing. I was on Tribhuvan University. I had a seminar on 6th of September. So I'll just share you that profile also. So 6th September, I did a seminar in Education Department of Mathematics. And so that is what, see, when you are learning this subject, Now, since it is very new to your country, now today it is not new because already from past 6 months I am training. This is, I've shared you a link of Tribhuvan University. Right. So this is a basic need because you cannot survive without mathematics. Can you? आपने banking का exam दिया था?
Yeah, I have given exam of bank. I got third position on my examination.
That is good. That is good. Now वहां पे लगा नहीं हमें कि क्या हमें कुछ shortcuts आने चाहिए थे calculations में. Yeah, you took you took some trainings.
Yeah.
That is required. See, for any competitive examination, because that is must for your future, for your good job opportunities, for your good admission opportunities. Competitive examinations are being conducted at every level today. And to clear these examinations, we have to be fast enough. It should be more than what we have actually. So for that, what is required? This particular subject, Vedic mathematics. So we have discussed so much on multiplication. I'll just give you the hint. I'll just give you the hint of one multiplication. You see how big numbers, and you'll be able to calculate within seconds. I'm just sharing you the screen. Okay, now if I ask you what is 999 into 888, can you give me the answer within seconds? Yes,
No,
Mahendra?
I cannot. No, I cannot give.
Yes, Jai Krishna?
Yeah, no more ideas, sir.
Okay, now see, whenever you have 9, 99, 999, 4 times 9, or any such number, that means a series of 9. The answer is very simple. Whatever this number is, let the answer be in 2 parts. Whatever this number is, subtract 1. 887. Done? Now, subtract 887 from 999. So 2, 1, 1. So this is your answer. 887, 112. You can check on your calculators. Now this involves 2 sutras. Here I have used one sutra called as Ekayune. Ekayune Purvena. So Vedic maths is, what is Vedic maths? It is a collection of techniques or formulas, or what we call it as a sutras. Why it is called as Vedic maths? Because it has been derived from Vedas. Do you know how many Vedas we have? Yes, Mahendra?
No idea.
You
No
don't know
idea.
how many Vedas we have? We have 4 Vedas. Rig Ved, Sam Ved, Yajur Ved, and Athar Veda. So this particular subject is believed to be originated from Athar Veda, the 4th Veda, which deals with mechanics, science, culture, medicine. Right? So see how easy it becomes. One more example. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So nothing. Subtract 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And subtract this from here. Finish. How many seconds? 999 into 999. Let's say this. So subtract 1. 998. And then 0, 0, 1. Got it? So this is Vedic mathematics, how simple it becomes. When I was talking to you, I asked you finding the squares. See the thing. Square of 22, 25. It is 625. Square of 35. It is, yes, 1225. Square of
1225.
Square of this is 9025. But how? How I am able to do it much faster? Do you know? I'll tell you. See, whatever is the first is 5. Break up the numbers into 2. Now 5 will always give me 25. Done? Whatever is the number before 5, now here it is 1. Multiply that number with 1 more. What is 1 more than 1?
2.
2. So this is your answer. If it was 35, what is 1 more than 3? That is 12. So 12 and 25. What is 95? 9 into 10 is 90. 25.
90, 25.
So how easy it is? So such is this subject. So easy if we try to understand this. 1, okay, 115. So 11 into 12 is 1, 3, 2, 25. Clear? Yes, Jai Krishna, is it clear? Krishna, is it clear?
I request once again, Guruji.
Yes, Mahendra. Yes, Mahendra, what are you saying? Please repeat.
Please repeat once time so that it will be more clear.
Okay, okay. See,
Multiplication of sequence.
this was the concept of finding. I'll tell you the title. Finding pairs of numbers ending with 5. Now, when I say ending with 5, what does this mean? This means at unit place, I'll have 5. So that means what are the numbers? 15, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45,
45,
55, 65, 75,
75,
85,
85,
95. We'll do all this within seconds. 105, 115, 125, and even if I say 215, anything. So what I have to do is this 5 will give me, I need to understand that this is made up of 2 digits. So 5 will always give me 25. So this is there. Now this particular number, whatever is before 5, multiply that number with 1 more. So what comes after? What is 1 more than 1?
2, 2 into 1, 2.
2.
Correct. In case of 25, what is 1 more than 2? 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So the answer is
625.
625. In case of 35, now 3 into 5 is 3 into 4 is 12.
12, 25.
45. 4 into 5 is 20. 25.
20, 25.
55. 5 into 6 is 30. 25.
30, 25.
65. So 6 into 7 is 42.
42, 25.
75. 7 into 8 is 56. 25.
25.
85. 8 into 9 is 72. 25. 95. 9 into 10 is 90. 25. 105 means 10 into, now here it is 10 into 11. So 110, 25.
25.
115.
Okay.
So 13225. 125. What is 12 into 13? 15625. Clear? Yes. Now is it clear, Mahindra?
Clear, perfect, sir, perfect. Great,
Wait,
sir.
this is how, and this was not a difficult thing. Similarly, what we did earlier was the concept of that you call, that is a multiplication of two numbers when one multiplier is of 9 series. Means one number is 9, 99, 999, 4 times 9, or anything bigger. So what we are doing is, in the first part, see, again the answer is into two parts. First part, subtract 1. Second, subtract first part from series of 9. So this was such a simple thing. See this again, one example, 99 into 57. So subtract 1, 56. And now subtract this from this. So 4, 3, check. Check in your calculators. Is it correct or not? Yes, Krishna? Jai Krishna, Krishna, Kabiraj.
Yes, go ahead.
Go ahead. What go ahead? What
Yes.
should I teach? If you don't ask anything, what should I teach?
No, that's known, sir. Then you can go for 3 digits also.
Yes, we will go for 3 also. If it is 7. Now it is a 2 digit, it is 1 digit. So what we'll do, we'll put 0 to make it a 2 digit. And then I can write 06 first and then 93. So that means 693 is the answer. Clear? So this was a 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 999, 627. What does that mean? 626. Then 373. So that is your final answer. Can we calculate such simply, such faster manner in our normal maths? No. So what does Vedic maths gives you? It gives you ability to think. Ability to think in a different manner. Clear? Any doubts you have now? Any? Okay, leave this doubts. Any questions you have regarding Vedic mathematics? So I think everybody has not shared numbers with Umesh sir. You can share. Only Mahindra has shared. Kabiraj has shared. Okay. Krishna, you belong to Pokhara. Krishna, I could not talk to you because I think your network problem. So are you also a teacher, Krishna? If you're not able to speak, you can write. Are you a teacher? And if yes, which school? But then what do you do?
Dear sir, can I ask one question?
Please go ahead.
Does Vedic mathematics has has a scope of simplifying solution of the digit only, or many more area or scope of basic
Okay.
mathematics?
Okay. Now, Vedic mathematics has got 16 sutras, 13 sub-sutras, with the help of which you can solve arithmetics. So arithmetics means your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, cube, square root, cube roots. Other than that, now coming to algebra. Algebra can also be done in a single line. Then comes your trigonometry. Then comes your geometry. Then comes your calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. I can give you an example of even physics right now. That will be, now, there are so many things. If you remember mathematics, now this is a simple question I'll ask you. How will we solve this? Yes, Mahindra.
First, use addition, then subtraction.
So that means you will add this, 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 and you'll
Yeah.
get some one number. And
Yeah.
then you will add
Mm.
this and
Yeah.
this, and you'll get N2. Correct?
Yeah.
Can you do
Yeah,
it
yeah.
simultaneously? No.
No.
In normal mathematics, simultaneous, this was just 5 numbers. If it would have been 10. So in normal mathematics, simultaneous addition and subtraction is also not possible. And in Vedic maths, it can be solved in a single line. If you remember divisibility, can you tell me divisibility of 7, 13, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37? No. For prime numbers, we don't have the divisibility in our normal mathematics. But this is possible in Vedic mathematics and very easy. See, the thing is, the questions, Vedic maths gives you the solution in single line, generally mentally or single line. Very few questions are there which you take 2 steps. So regarding your question, yes, it is possible to solve arithmetics, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, cubics, conics, as well as organic chemistry. But the thing is, you need a teacher for that. Very few people even in India are teaching those subjects. Only people are moving up till arithmetic because that is the first requirement. That is a necessity for everyone. That is a need of our. Because where we are lacking, where our students are finding difficulty. You talk to any student of Nepal. They all have that feeling. Not only Nepal, any country. Everybody has this fear of mathematics. So that is to be removed first from the child's life. So once that fear is gone, you'll see a new generation coming up with blossoming colors. Right. So new world would be there. Yes, Jai Krishna. Krishna, any questions you have? Anything you want to ask?
Simultaneous solution.
Yes, please.
Simultaneous solution of these 5 digits.
I cannot teach you because for that you need to understand vinculum numbers. I just gave you a hint that this cannot be done. So there is a vinculum number concept with the help of which you can do within second. Even if I solve you here, you'll not be able to understand. There is a concept called as vinculum numbers. Now, what is vinculum number? This is an imaginary number created to solve fastly. Now, how it is created? Or what are the new numbers? See, generally what we have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in case of vinculum numbers, we will not use this. We'll just go for first this. So what will we do for 6, 7, 8, 9? We'll convert them into again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That will make our calculations faster. Right. So we don't take bigger numbers in that. That is very easy process. And with that, you can solve most of the problems orally, verbally. Right. Any other question? Regarding tables, you can check with the last.
Yes, sir. How to convert 6, 7, 8, 9 into vinculum number?
Sir, vinculum is a concept of 4 hours. It cannot be taught in 5 minutes. And that is the most important topic of Vedic mathematics. So for that, you need to join the complete course. Then only you'll be able to understand it. It's not a 1 minute path. Entire Vedic maths depends on this. I just explained you what it is. How it has to be done, that needs time. Anything else? Yes, Kabiraj, Krishna.
Yes, yes, sir.
Any questions you have? Else we'll wrap up this session. If you don't have anything to ask.
Sir, most of the people's students are afraid about the mathematics subject. Surely, I'm also weak in mathematics, so it would be better to start this workshop in as the 1 month, just like 1 month, not only 2 or 3 days.
That
My
is not,
request.
sir, that is not called as workshop. That is a complete course.
Yes, sir.
So that we are already doing it.
We want to go as basic level, sir. I know your ideas professionally. You have teaching there very nice, and short tricks are also there. If we are going to complete the mathematics subject, any questions, any formulas, we have to create the short tricks. It is excellent, sir. But we want to take more than more days to spending here.
I'll tell you one
Yes,
thing.
we are ready to pay some monies also.
No. Definitely, payment is always there. See,
What it is only 2 days, 3 days. It isn't enough. May I think because of
कबीराज आप सुन ही नहीं रहे.
yes, sir. Yes.
फर्स्ट स्टेप था आज का दिन. सेकंड स्टेप है वर्कशॉप. वर्कशॉप के बाद ही तो डिसीजन होता है बस किसी का कि then they understand how the teacher will teach and is it beneficial for me or not. Finance is the biggest issue. मैं वही बता रहा था जैसे उमेश जी ने किया था, रवि ने किया था, सूरज ने किया था. सूरज फ्रॉम इटाहरी, he is taking now sessions, he is taking classes. So he was in the first batch who did from me. Correct. वो जो है 70 घंटे का क्लास है. 70 घंटे का मतलब है अगर 2-2 घंटे भी हफ्ते में 3 क्लासेस होंगी, 6, तो करीबन 11 हफ्ते लगेंगे आपको.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. 11 हफ्ते मींस 3 months. 1 month नहीं, क्योंकि रेगुलर नहीं हो सकता, रोज नहीं हो सकती क्लास. Because you have to will be solving 100 questions a day, and then you have to solve the exercises also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Have you seen the syllabus? Have you seen the syllabus, Kabiraj?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Syllabus आपने देखा है?
No, sir.
आपका नंबर आप शेयर करो उमेश जी को. उमेश जी आपको अभी शाम को या तो बात नहीं, मैंने आपको कबीराज भट्टाचार्य आपने पहले भी अटेंड किया था May 10th को.
This is only next day, sir. Joining this workshop.
बहुत पहले. आपका नंबर ये है 9538808.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो आपको डिटेल्स गई थी 19th एपिसोड 10/5/2022, 10 मई की बात है, 10 मई को आपने ज्वाइन किया। सो देखिए आपने डिसीजन लेने में देर लगा दिया ना, अगर मई में शुरू किया होता तो अभी तक तो आप ट्रेनर बन
very
जाते।
busy, sir. I was very busy at that time, therefore.
सी कपिराज, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग। आपको पता है कोविड में जितने बड़े लोग थे सब खत्म हो गए, और सबसे ज्यादा क्या सिखाया कोविड ने, किसमें इन्वेस्ट करो, अपने आप में। जब हम हर एक के पास वही 24 घंटे हैं, आपके पास भी 24 घंटे हैं, मेरे पास भी 24 घंटे हैं, हर एक के पास 24 घंटे हैं। डिपेंड करता है आपकी प्रायोरिटी क्या है, मेरी प्रायोरिटी क्या है। जब हम ये कहते हैं आई वॉज वेरी बिजी, सो देन either you need to understand, you need to check with your priorities.
Yes,
हर
sir.
इंसान बिजी है, और अगर 24 घंटे होने के बाद भी बिजी है, जब सबके पास 24 घंटे हैं, ठीक है, नो इश्यूज। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? तो आप मॉर्निंग में बात कर लो उमेश जी से, ही विल गाइड यू बेटर। वर्कशॉप
Okay.
इसलिए कहा जाता है सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड सम कंसेप्ट्स एंड स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट। यूजिंग का
Yes.
मतलब आप क्लासेस लेनी शुरू कर दो ना बच्चों की। जब आपको एक बार दो वन, देखो जो आपका नेपाली करेंसी में 320 आता है 2 दिन का वर्कशॉप का, अगर 320 स्पेंड करने के बाद, कुछ लेने के बाद आप 1000 या 2000 अर्न कर लोगे, दैट विल गिव यू कॉन्फिडेंस कि यस वी कैन डू फर्दर। गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
सो स्टार्ट टीचिंग योर स्मॉल किड्स, एंड फिर आपको लगेगा कि यस मुझे एडवांस करना है। करेक्ट? एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? कृष्णा, डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन नाउ? Jai Krishna, Mahendra, anything, any question you have? Anyone? So again, I'll request कि आप उमेश सर से अपना नंबर शेयर कर लीजिए, and he'll guide you better. Right?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Chalo. Then thank you for being
Okay,
so
sir, okay.
right, and good night, good evening.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good night, good morning, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye bye.
What about the next class, sir?
See, this is not a class. Very first thing, this is a FAQ session. Jai Krishna, I think you're not getting the clear picture. Thursday, again, this would be there. But if you want to attend the classes, that is on Saturday and Sunday. That is a paid one. 3 hours class is there. Correct? So please do share your number with Umesh sir. He'll guide you. नंबर शेयर करेंगे तो वो आपको बताएंगे, समझा देंगे। मेरे को शेयर करना है तो मैं बात कर लूंगा, बट मैं व्हाट्सएप कॉल ही कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं इंडिया में बैठा हूँ अभी।
Okay, sir. See you.
ओके, बाय बाय। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, members.